Dan Perry here with another Dan on Tech command prompt video. Let's look at how we navigate around in the command prompt. First of all, capitalization or case doesn't matter. So if I type a command in lowercase and type the same command in uppercase, I get the same results. In fact, I can use mixed case. The command prompt doesn't care. One early command that we want to look at, I've got a lot of stuff on my screen I don't need. My prompt is down at the bottom. If I do CLS, CLS will let us clear the screen, and that clears my screen and moves me back up to the top. If I want to repeat an earlier command, I can use the up arrow key and then up arrow again and keep going, and I can remember a number of commands in this session. So if I run the path command again, do my up arrow key, there was the path command, up arrow again, up arrow. If I want to navigate forward, down arrow. So if I went back too far, there's my clear screen. So I can repeat these commands over and over again. It does have some knowledge. It will let me do some scrolling, and let me shrink my window. I can use my scroll wheel on my mouse to scroll up and down. I can also come over and use the scroll bar to scroll up and down. I don't have a whole lot off the screen, but I've got a little bit. As you're doing things, you can scroll up and down. If I clear the screen, now I lose my ability to scroll back. So one of the disadvantages of clearing the screen is that I can't scroll back and see the results of previous commands. Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos. Please check out and subscribe to our other Dan on Tech channel playlists.